Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're working on a 2015 Acura TLX. Front bumper's damaged here, damaged everywhere. Wow, surprised this didn't fall out earlier. Down here, a little cracked here, but it'll be alright. I think it'll survive the masses. We'll take it apart. I got a new bumper we painted and we're gonna swap it out. So first things first, these clips up here gotta get removed. Man, why are all these clips breaking? Okay. Voila. Couple 10s. It's for the grill. 2, 3, 4. Actually, these two can stay back in. Okay, let's raise this car up. We got 10s and 10s and more 10s. Got 1 10 here. 1 here. Assuming there's the same over here. Okay, let's see, there's 10s there. There's 1, 2, 3 here. That means there's 3 over here. 1, 2, we're missing 1. Let's see. Got a couple clips that gotta go. 1. Then that guy, and then there's this guy. But they came out. There's a temp sensor in here on the bumper. I'm gonna unplug it now. It's right here. It sits right up here, right here. Unplug it now so when you take the bumper off, you're not killing yourself. Okay, other side. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, let's come on down. So, you might have fog lights, but I have to do some unplugging. But this thing should just pop right off. Like that. Okay. Oh yeah. Saved by the bumper police. Now, if you want to inspect everything inside here, nothing looks damaged. Actually, it's pretty clean. A couple things. This is a 3-stage pearl white, so the bumper is gonna match. It was painted to the same code, but this fender has been painted once before. So this is gonna match really, really close, but it's not gonna be 100%. Even if it comes out of the factory, if you look at cars, the bumpers never match the metal. Something about the way metal and paint and plastic and paint, it's always different. Depending on the angles you look at it. So it'll be off a shade no matter what especially on 3-Stage Pearl White. And it's been painted once before, because you can see the dieback on the fender. So let's give it a try. I got the new bumper already painted. Let me find a stand so we can swap it out on.